Hello, today I'm gonna make for you cheesecake, and you know me by now, my name is Miguel. So we're gonna need 1 cup of crackers, crumbs. So I'm using this wheat crackers, but you can use graham crackers. I'm in Jamaica, so I'm using wheat crackers. It's cream crackers, wheat crackers. 7 tablespoons of butter melted, 1/4 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. That's for the crust. So the ingredients for the filling is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pound or 12 ounces of cream cheese. This is cream cheese. 1 cup of granulated sugar, and this is our 8-inch spring form pan. Alright, 3 large eggs beaten lightly. So that's the filling. So first thing first, take your crackers. You want to get a cup, so crush this. Crumbs it. Just crumbs it as much as possible. So crush this. Don't want any lumps, you want crumbs only. So if you have graham cracker, you can use that. But if you ask me, you can use any cracker. You can use cream crackers, wheat crackers. This is sesame seed crackers. It's a new crackers. Sesame seed wheat crackers. It's not sesame seed, it's sesame wheat crackers. You can't read. Sesame wheat crackers. That's what I'm using. It's a new crackers on the market. I'm not going to tell the company. Crush this, crush this, crush this, crush this, crush this. So I've been doing this for about 2 minutes now. So this is the idea. You want to get it crumbs. Crumbs. Alright, so that should be good enough. That's why you want to get the crumbs. Alright, so now measure out a cup. 1 cup. You can also put this between I was going to say cloth, but a plastic. Give it some air vent and smash it too. Alright, I like how this 3 ounces 0.95, call it 4 ounces. This 4 ounce of wheat crackers will give you 1 cup of crushed crumbs. Crackers. So add back your crackers to that. Alright, now we're going to melt the butter. Measure your sugar, 1/4 cup. That's about 1/4 cup. Trust me, this recipe have a lot of sugar, so if you use less, it's no problem. So 1/4 cup of sugar. Add the sugar. Alright, now I got a microwave, but it's the little spring that to push the door open is broken, so besides I don't use microwave that much. So measure out your butter. You want 7 tablespoons. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And brought 7 tablespoons of butter. So now we're gonna put to eat. So now just boil it for like 30 seconds and until it melts. Just allow that to melt. I like to use this wooden spoon, so I'm going to use this to mix my ingredients. Alright. Alright, stir the scene, stir the scene. Now, the melted butter, let's add your melted butter to this. Let's stir this in, let's work it in. You're gonna have to get your hands dirty at some point anyway, so I'll wash this, because I don't know. I remember to take the price tag off, because this is paper, so you don't want to put that in the oven. So make sure this is dry. Alright. We're going to place this on this. And just compress it. Make sure it's so I'm spending some time and I'm patiently compressing it. You have to compress it with your fingers. I'm showing you how to do it Jamaican style, because to be honest with you, the graham cracker in Jamaica is very expensive, and I know it's expensive in America too. But we have a lot of different biscuits in this country, so I decide to use cream crackers, the wheat crackers. But this look like graham cracker anyways. Put in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now while we wait for the crust, get your 3 eggs room temperature, put them in the water. If they float, they're not good. If they sink, they're good. Or spin it. You spin it like this. Well, this can't spin, but that's this. Or you can smell it too. Just smell it. Smell it. Alright. Measure your sugar. I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar. So beat this lightly. Add your sugar. Add the whipped cream. Kind of work this in. Add your vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Alright. Whip this together until it creams. Till it comes to a cream. I'm gonna try the spoon. Just mix it until it creams. It's cream. Okay, so once you beat it to cream, that should be it. Alright. While it bake, it will just melt. You should keep your cream cheese at room temperature. Alright. So remember now, your oven should be already preheating at least 8 minutes before you're ready to bake on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to bake the cheese part. Alright, so this now, look, and it's hard as a rock. It's not as a wrap, but it got hard. So now we're gonna add the filling to this. This is for stuff later. Excuse me, and block you. So you just want to pour this in right in the middle. Get it all in. Try not to make it a mess. That's why I like using this glass bowl. Glass bowl is easy to use, and this plastic spatula. Right. So that's that. Now we're gonna just put this in the oven and just allow it to bake for 45 minutes. I'm tempted to, but while it bakes it's gonna spread anyways. I'm not gonna do anything to it. So now put it in the oven. Open it properly and put it in the oven. Close the oven. Set your timer for 45 minutes. So this is our Caribbean cheesecake with coffee, cocoa, topping glaze, or glaze topping. This is after 25 minutes. I don't know if you can see, but you see how the dough just flush with the crust right around. From my eyes, I can see a neat little crust go right around. So that's it, 25 minutes in. Do not open it. Well, I recommend to open the oven still, although this is not a regular cake, but it's good practice not to open the oven while you bake. 35 minutes in. If you notice on the side how it comes up, after the time, remove the cake. And also open. That's our cheesecake. Alright, so now, alright, let's taste this thing here. This cheesecake tastes like a cake. This is nice. Why I say it tastes like a cake? Because normally the cheesecake kind of tastes wet, more wet. This tastes nice. That's the crust. That's the chocolate. This is nice.